everyone, Hannah here. In this video we're going to show you the Joys of Christmas Past collection for October's boxes. So let's dive in and take a look. So we have our paper pack. It's $20, but then if it's on sale or with a coupon, you'll save 20% off with the coupon, or more with the sale. And we've got journaling cards. You'll get 15 3x4-inch journaling cards, and they go with the collection. Some of them are the actual scrapbook paper images, and then some of them are just different elements that were used in the collection itself. And you'll also receive the cardstock die cuts. There's 30 of those. And then you'll receive 6 double-sided, it's not a true 12 by 12 inch sheet, it's 11 3/4 by 11 3/4. And so we've just got beautiful vintage Christmas imagery, which I absolutely love. And basically we've paired together the collections from last year and the year before. We're excited about it, just taking some of the favorite sheets, and putting that together for you. So this is our ephemera with the tea-dyed paper and book pages. If you are already subscribed to the Junk Journal box, this is part of the kit that you will get. You'll receive the paper pack subscription, the ephemera with tea-dyed paper and book pages, as well as the fabric and lace subscription. So those three paired together make the Junk Journal box if you're already subscribed. And this is just some really neat ephemera that we have put together for you. You get stickers, vellum, some scans of old postcards like from the 40s. And last year I did a video on that, just kind of going through those postcards and how it was an old friend of the family that he actually sketched out all of those and wrote all of them out with pen and ink. So it's really cool. And we've got some newsprint images printed on some newsprint here. You will also receive the Tyvek strip. We were out of that for a little while, but I've got plenty to get us through the rest of the year because I finally was able to get a bunch of it. And then we've got the tea-dyed papers as well that you'll receive. Some of the first kits that went out, we were on a shortage of tea-dyed paper, and so to help make it stretch, we were including some extra book pages from this book here, Aristocats and some other Walt Disney stories. And then we also did some scans, printed it on newspaper to make it look like old newspaper articles. There was a French newspaper article, as well as another article with, it was a magazine clipping of a scarf, hat, and purse. So you'll receive that in place of the extra tea-dyed pages until we can get some more in. And here is the fabric and lace subscription, where you will receive a large piece of fabric that you can wrap your book in, as well as smaller pieces of fabric, lace, appliques. We've got these beautiful little trims there, and that's a vintage ribbon. We've got some of this felt or flannel ribbon, and some of this beautiful shiny stuff, as well as the waxed linen. And if you're already subscribed to the fabric and lace bundle, that's $10, you'll receive everything but the large piece of fabric, the waxed linen, and the shiny leaf, a tulle ribbon, I guess we could call it. And this is the scrapbook embellishments subscription. Basically everything you need for card making. And here is our mixed media bundle. You'll receive a napkin, some acrylic paint, stencil, felt marker or pen, and some chipboard embellishments, and a bead pack as well. Here is our mixed media box for this month. We're basically doing a very antique themed shadow box, so super excited about that. So I hope that you are excited about this month's box as much as we are. And you can hop on over to danagirlsdesigns.com. We'll put a link in the description box below, and you can use GRAND20 as your coupon code to save 20% off these already great prices. If you're catching this on Sunday, October, is it 10th already? This is the last day of our 25% off sale. So that would be a great time to try out some of these products at an even better reduced price.